What's up? We're back with another video. So we're gonna be finishing up that 06. So engine is halfway in. I'm still waiting on my damn cylinders. My machine guy is pretty slow lately, so yeah, bottom end is in. Everything is bolted down. Chain is on. I got that side of the heel guard installed. So 8 arms are installed. We got a real good match. Yeah, because those are painted. You can't really powder coat the stock A arm because of the bushing. They're gonna melt. So yeah, bike start to look real good. Like usually, all of them look good. Front breaker blade. Clutch is installed. Rear brake work too. Yeah, I was about to put that heel guard. So that side is installed. I need to install that side. It's actually still on a bench, all wrapped up. So yeah, let me do a bit of work, and I shall be back soon. Okay, so progress was made. So I got the exhaust painted. I put it back on the bike. Let me put it in. It's a bit sunny out. Alright, so exhaust is painted. Seat cover is done. Airbox is built. Both side of the heel guard, both heel guards are installed. My bad. Yeah, that one too is coming along pretty well. It'll be a nice bike, I won't lie. So yeah, brand new airbox. Well, basically, almost everything brand new on the bike. So I just got my cylinders, so I'm getting ready to install them. So I should be able to start that bike like maybe tomorrow if I'm lucky. Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Alright, so I was just about to install the top end. So, freshly owned cylinder. Good Pro X piston. Well, I don't want to say brand new, freshly zinced hardware. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice one. So I'm just gonna install the top end real quick. I'm gonna do that off camera like usual. Yeah, one of the piston install, quick and easy. So I'm gonna do the other side. Yep. All right, engine is in. Well, top end is in. Pretty straightforward to install. It's pretty easy, to be honest. So I gotta put the carbs on. Pretty freaking clean if you ask me. Yeah. All right, so we're ready for the first start. So complete exhaust is installed, carbs are installed, oil, coolant, premix is installed. Well, it's in. So we got gasoline, we got oil, we got coolant. We're just about ready to get that thing started. Shouldn't be too hard to start, that's for sure. So alright, let me get that thing started and I'll get back to you guys. I guess it's time to go for the first test ride. So start first kick. Good running unit. Yeah, pretty quiet. But anyway, I'm gonna go out to test it. Everything should go well like usually. Yeah. So I just lubed the chain up, did a little mess. Anyway. Yep, alright, so bike is loaded up in the trailer. Just about to go out and test it. So yeah. Alright, so we're here at one of my local underground parking lot. It's been raining all day, so it's a bit wet outside. Rather use it there, it's not going to be too much dirty. So let me get that thing unloaded. Alright, so I did a couple laps around the parking lot. Bike seems to run amazing. So no adjusting need to be done. Like the clutch worked properly, it idled well, so everything worked like it should. I guess I'm gonna be bringing it back home and installing those plastic decals. And I still gotta do that rear shock. So I got that powder coated spring, so I gotta put it in. But yeah, bike ran pretty damn well if you ask me. Alright, I guess it's just about time to get those OEM plastic on. So I got OEM front fenders, rear fenders, silver grille, side covers, and heel guard flap. So those are reproduction decals because those are discontinued. And I got that little foam. So that little foam goes in between the plastic and the gas tank. So let me slap those things on, and I'll show you the result shortly. Okay, so all the plastics are installed. So I'm missing that. Here we go. So brand new plastic always make the bike look so much better. Even if you put new plastic on the beater, make the bike look so much better. But yeah, I'm gonna slap on those plastic, and I guess I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. It's getting a bit dark, so I won't be able to finish the video. Okay, so 06 is done. I totally forgot to finish the video. I'm a busy guy, so yeah, I'm actually delivering 3 bikes to the same guy. So 06, 97, and 95 in the back. So bike look fresh. I think last time when I left on the video, graphic weren't installed. Bike is pretty much all done right now. Look really good. Just can't go wrong with everything brand new. So anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for that video. I'm gonna try to make more video later on, but you know, like I say, I'm a busy guy. See you on the next one, boys.